Morning tree lovers, thanks for looking in on the Eco Geeko channel. It's a bit of a muggy day in August, but today we're looking at the common aspen, otherwise known as the quaking aspen. It's Populus tremula. I'd like there to be just a little bit more of a breeze, because this and its very closely related cousins in the same genus are the trees that you can recognise purely by the rustle of their leaves. No rustle today. The leaves of all the poplars have their leaf stalk or petiole flattened side to side. I think you can see it in this picture. What that means is that the leaves flap even in the most gentle of breezes. That increases the rate of carbon dioxide uptake, it increases the rate of photosynthesis, but it also increases the rate of evaporation, so they often live by a river to replace the water that they lose. This is the grey poplar, which is a hybrid, with the two parents being the white poplar and the common quaking aspen. This is the other parent. This is the white poplar, because it's a poplar and its leaves are very white. This is the black poplar. It doesn't have black leaves, but it does often lean over at this funny angle. There's only about 6,000 or 7,000 left in the whole of the UK, though there's attempts at restoring it and protecting it, particularly in places like Poplar in the borough of Tower Hamlets. The bark of the quaking aspen is very characteristic, and it has these lovely diamond-shaped lenticels. I think you might be able to hear the poplar rustling above me in the afternoon breeze. So these poplars here are all males. These are said to be dioecious. They have males and they have female trees, and the female trees produce some lots and lots of white fluffy seeds. They're described as being cottonwood, or called cottonwoods by the Americans, and it's quite irritating, I think, and also just quite messy. So then the females are not allowed to grow, they're removed, and so all the ones that you are likely to see will be males. And the males have a little red catkin back in springtime, sometimes described or called devil's fingers. So all of these here are just one big clone of each other. They send up suckers and spread and send up another. Indeed, the biggest organism in the world is a poplar. It's the American aspen, and it's in Utah, and it's said to be 46 hectares and 6,000 tons, one single organism that is spread on and on and on. Well, I hope you're able just to find one poplar and be able to identify it on your walk in the country this week, and don't forget to subscribe to the Eco Geeko.